So I've got my table set up, and I thought I'd just take the time to make a little video with the items that I make. Here we've got some pizza wheels, ice cream scoops, some spurtles, Christmas ornaments, insulated tumblers, wedding goblets, bottle stoppers, got honey dippers, a couple rolling pins, a couple vases, my shaving gear, got Mach 3 razors and 3-piece safety razors. Got a little jewelry section, pendant, couple bracelets, and a ring holder. It's a wooden apple, or a maraca. That's my latest item. Got a few bowls here. Got maple, birch, and cherry wood. We got some peppermills, pins, and a table full of bowls. So yeah, that's what I make.